Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse the YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix CoD Warzone won't launch PC. So let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to here in the search bar, and here please write CMD, click on CMD and select run as administrator, yes, and here this command will fix any corrupted files that are on our system. So copy this command and then paste it here, enter, and then we need to now please enter after you enter the first command. Now please enter the second one and please press enter on your keyboard. Okay, now let me show you the next method. Click on the search bar here and please type allow an app through Windows firewall. Click. And here change settings, and you need to add Call of Duty. If you don't see Call of Duty, you can find it here. Click on this button, on this allow another app, browse, and here go to Steam, right click properties, local files, browse, click here, copy, and here let's paste the location. Paste and click on this arrow, and now select CoD, open, add, and check public. I already have it in this list. So